Hi everyone, how's life treating you guys? I hope you can see and hear me clearly. So, welcome to this yet another episode of Love Thy RCs, and I'm here with another interesting but slightly difficult passage for you. So पहले तो गॉस्पेल, ये जो आप जानते हो कि हर सेशन के शुरू में मैं आपको यही देती हूँ, यही पॉइंट्स होते हैं और ये पॉइंट्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं. अभी कुछ दिन पहले से ना लाइक पीपल हैव स्टार्टेड आस्किंग मी दिस हाउ टू आइडेंटिफाई द पैटर्न इन अ कैट पैसेज. सो पैटर्न इज समथिंग दैट कंप्राइजेज द मेन आइडिया, टोन, फ्लो. ये जो मैं आपको लिख के सामने में दे रही हूँ ना, ये सारी चीजें आइडेंटिफाई करना, दैट इटसेल्फ is called identifying the pattern of a passage. I hope you understood this, guys. So main idea अगर आप नहीं निकाल रहे हो और अगर आप सोच रहे हो कि आप आंसर्स दे लोगे, बहुत मुश्किल है. इस पे मैंने वीडियोस भी बनाया है कि like how to identify the main idea. You can just take one passage, feed it to chat gpt, give a command like a prompt and ask it to generate main idea for you. आप अपना main idea पहले लिख लो और उसके बाद फिर उसके दिए हुए main idea से मैच करके देख लो. And you have to do this exercise for at least 40 to 50 passages in order to reach there for main idea. ठीक है. मैपिंग द पैसेज, हर पैराग्राफ एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड कैसे है. द फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ ब्रिंग्स इन द कॉन्सेप्ट और द प्रॉब्लम, द सेकंड पैराग्राफ elaborates on that, gives you examples, the third paragraph brings in some critics or maybe talks about some disadvantages, the fourth paragraph takes you on a trip to some other country and gives you some examples from there, some Asian, some Australian example maybe, and then the fifth paragraph kind of gives you some suggestion, some recommendation. So how is every paragraph connected to the main idea? That is what we call mapping the passage, locating the flow, tracing the flow with your finger, with your mind. So locate the important zones. क्या होते हैं? Locate the important zones means you have to find out in every passage कहाँ पे क्वेश्चन सेट हो सकता है. ये कोई ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट फॉर्मूला नहीं है, कोई ब्लूप्रिंट नहीं है जो मैं आपको दे दूं. इट्स लाइक it differs for every passage. So what works in one passage may not work for another. Like in most of the passages, the main idea is there in the first para, but sometimes it may not be there. It may slip down to the second or the third para for that matter. So locating the important zones means you need to know, oh, this is the main idea paragraph. Oh, here there is however or but. Here there is a point of comparison between X and Y, or between Y and Z. Oh, here there is this talk about critics coming into the picture. Around these points questions are generally set. तो ये important zones कहलाते हैं. ठीक है. बाकी types of questions और process of elimination तो आप मेरे साथ क्लास में करते ही हो. जो लोग मेरे पास क्लास में नहीं हैं, for them I would suggest you sit and watch at least 20 to 25 episodes of this series RC100. These will help you tremendously. Okay, so ये सब बता दिया मैंने आपको. आगे चलते हैं. So what is the topic today? We are discussing ये मैंने ना इसमें उल्टा कर दिया है. चलो, you can excuse me for that. This comes here and this goes here. उल्टा किया मैंने. तो इसको मैं ऐसे कर देती हूँ. Okay. This is genre. And this is the topic. All right. Okay. Moderate तो है definitely. And the passage may be slightly difficult. अभी जैसे मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी, but the questions are pretty doable. So here I would like to dish out a gyan point for you. Please do not ever select your passage on the basis of the genre alone. Looking at the questions once, not the options, just the question stems once before going back to the passage and reading is always helpful. Okay, so genre क्या है? Philosophy, social science. What is the topic here? Internal disagreements within philosophical counseling. क्या बोल गया? ये तो टॉपिक में ही, टाइटल में ही मुझे समझ नहीं आया क्या बोल रहा है. And it goes without saying that it's going to be a dense passage. But चलिए ठीक है, मैं आपको आगे लेके चलती हूँ. This is how your passage looks like. I mean, you know how it appears like a demon. Bertrand's primary rival actually emerges from the Canadian society. कौन है ये? Pursue exactly contrary approach similar to this. So I'm looking just at the first line of every paragraph to gauge what the passage is all about. Philosophers, mental wellness, okay. इससे मुझे कुछ समझ में आ रहा है इसमें disagreement between this? No. मुझे सिर्फ इतना समझ में आ रहा है that this passage is talking about some approaches, some ideologies, and there are various names in the passage. अभी मैं आगे जाके भी फटाफट खाली ये देख लूंगी हैं कौन कौन, इसमें क्या क्या है. Bertrand and additional practitioners maintain that everyone possesses a life philosophy. Okay, referencing this Bertrand. एक चीज क्लियर हो गई है पूरे पैसेज में, Bertrand नाम के कोई जनाब है जिनका डिस्कशन चल रहा है. He is connected to philosophy, इतना समझ में आ गया. But what is the main idea? I'm not yet sure. So I'm going to go first to the questions, sneak peek at all the 4 questions, not the options, and then I'm going to come back and do my organized reading accordingly. अभी आप बस follow करते जाओ कि कैसे. So ये समझ में आ गया कि किस बारे में, इतना तो बताया मैंने अभी आपको. Now, the first question says what? Which of the following is the main objection that people in the established mental wellness fields have against philosophical counseling? So I understand that there is something called philosophical counseling that is being discussed, and there is some objection that people have against this. कहाँ है वो पीपल? एस्टैब्लिश्ड मेंटल वेलनेस फील्ड्स, साइकोलॉजी, फिलोसफी, जहाँ भी होंगे वो मुझे नहीं पता. सो दोज पीपल, दोज लर्नड मैन हैव सम ऑब्जेक्शन अगेंस्ट दिस थिंग कॉल्ड फिलोसफिकल काउंसलिंग. ये प्रैक्टिस के साथ ना एक एक सेकंड में समझ में आता है. क्वेश्चन देख के आपको 2-3 सेकंड हद से हद लगेंगे, बट यू विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड कि अच्छा ये पूछ क्या रहा है. सो ये क्लियर है मुझे. देन which of the following philosophies would Thompson most likely agree with? I understand Thompson is another name given in the passage. I need to go to his zone. So this is a specific point question. Thompson की जो ideology थी, what can we infer about that? Right? Then the next one. Which of the following options can be inferred as the reason why practitioners of philosophical counseling differ from Bertrand? ये समझ रहे हो? Practitioners differ. There must be some point where they are being compared. कौन? Practitioners of philosophical counseling and Bertrand. Bertrand तो हमारे passage का हीरो है, हर पैरा में mentioned है. So how do practitioners of this differ from him? कहीं पे तो होगा. Now when I am gliding across my passage, I'm going to keep an eye out for these points. Subconsciously they are there in my mind. ठीक है, वो बार बार आपको देखना याद रखना जरूरी नहीं है, बट अगर आप यहाँ पे कहोगे कि मैं तो भूल जाऊंगा पैसेज में, जब पढ़ने जाऊंगा ना तो ये क्वेश्चंस भूल जाऊंगा, तो ये फिर आपकी प्रॉब्लम है, ये रिटेंशन प्रॉब्लम है जो आपको रिजॉल्व करना पड़ेगा च्यवनप्राश खा के या बादाम खा के या आई डोंट नो मम्मी का झापड़ खा के या मेरा वर्चुअल चपेड़ खा के, आई डोंट नो जो भी खा के. ठीक है, बट ये आपको सुधारना पड़ेगा. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द पैसेज विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग व्यूज कैन बी इन्फर्ड टू बी क्लोजेस्ट टू दैट ऑफ बर्ट्रैंड्स? सिंपल लैंग्वेज में क्या पूछ रहा है? Following views मतलब what can we infer about Bertrand's philosophy, Bertrand's ideology? यही तो पूछा है इसने, right? So Bertrand तो पूरे में फैला है. So for that I don't need to go to a specific zone. I'll have to look overall and then specifically connect with the last and the first paras. समझ में आ गई मेरी बात? ये होता है क्वेश्चंस देखना और क्वेश्चंस को असेस करना. ऑल दिस शुड हैपन विद इन 10 to 15 सेकेंड्स. ट्रस्ट मी, ये बहुत अच्छा इन्वेस्टमेंट होता है 10-15 सेकेंड्स का, जिसको आप डाल लोगे अगर, तो फिर आपको आसानी हो जाएगी पैसेज में जाके. अभी चलिए बहुत मजेदार देखते हैं कि इसको हैंडल कैसे करेंगे, इतना गंदा गलीज लुकिंग पैसेज. ओके, Bertrand's primary rival actually emerges from the Canadian society, okay, which pursues exactly the contrary approach. इतना तो समझ में आया कि इसका कोई rival है Bertrand साहब का, and एकदम contrary approach है. Establishing connections to established professions. Okay. According to Thompson, among the society's executive leaders, okay, all right, prevalent, okay, the greatest barrier to this, okay, recognition by established, okay, because we represent, and what are professionals in those fields stating presently? Now, with Bertrand certifying individuals lacking clinical preparation, individuals के पास कुछ lacking है. They are claiming philosophers lack mental wellness knowledge and they will endanger clients. So, this first paragraph is complicated. You cannot expect to understand everything, but here we understand there are two people mentioned, Bertrand and Thompson. Right, and then connections to something, Thompson something. यहाँ पे the greatest barrier to this is greatest barrier, superlative. ये question pocket हो सकता है, यहाँ पे हल्का सा slow होकर के पढ़ लो, इसको देख लो. Greatest barrier to philosophical counseling's expansion. क्या है वो? Recognition by established this. Okay, what are professionals stating presently? Bertrand का ये कहना है, they are claiming philosophers lack mental wellness. थोड़ा सा स्टिल कंफ्यूजिंग है, डजंट मैटर. वील गो ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट पैरा एंड लास्ट में जब कनेक्ट करेंगे लास्ट पैरा से ना, थिंग्स विल बिकम वेरी क्लियर. just watch me. Similar to psychoanalysis early period and the notable disagreement between this and this. Disagreement, that means they differ on something, right? Philosophical counselors differ on everything from this. अब ये क्वेश्चन से कनेक्टेड है मेरे. Philosophical counselors, how do they differ from Bertrand? कौन से पॉइंट पे? यहाँ पे मैं हल्का सा ध्यान दूंगी. Differ on everything from optimal terminology, this. Okay. Right? Skim किया मैंने. Until now, solely Thompson and Bertrand have developed easily understood methods. थॉमसन ने ये किया समथिंग, अब मैं स्किम कर रही हूँ. जहां मैं तेजी से बढ़ू ना, समझ जाओ आई एम स्किमिंग. रेफरेंसिंग दिस रिकॉग्निशन, ऑल राइट, ओके. कॉर्सिनी परसीव्स, ओके फाइन. परफेक्शन कुछ समझ नहीं आएगा आपको, बट प्लीज डू नॉट वरी, बिकॉज वी हैव सीन द क्वेश्चंस, वी नो द पॉइंट्स. यहाँ पे एक डिफरेंस वाले पे है, यहाँ पर से एक क्वेश्चन है, राइट. यहाँ बोला है थॉमसन इंस्ट्रक्ट्स क्रिटिकल रीजनिंग दिस. We understand that in this paragraph Thompson, Bertrand and Corsini तीन लोगों के व्यू पॉइंट्स का दिया हुआ है. ये पैराग्राफ मैं 10 सेकेंड्स में क्रॉस करूंगी, ये वाला मैंने 30 सेकेंड्स में क्रॉस करना है. Why? Because that's the first paragraph. उसको सम अप करके हमने समझ लिया कुछ ये फिलोसफी में प्रॉब्लम कुछ, ओके. एंड देयर आर दीज क्वेश्चंस ना, यू हैव टू पे अटेंशन टू दीज क्वेश्चंस. ये Bertrand certifying this, they are claiming philosophers का ही they lack mental wellness, ये है. यहाँ पे there is some disagreement between these people, ये names है. If the question is there, I'll come back and then I'll read a little more carefully. अभी अगर आप कितना भी पढ़ लो, you're not going to be able to make head or tail of it. ठीक है? So आगे बढ़ते हैं इसमें. मतलब देखो, मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ कि CAT is going to give you this kind of a passage. इतना difficult नहीं देता है CAT. आप 2017 से लेकर 2025 तक उठा के देख लो, नहीं देता है ये लेवल का पैसेज. हमारा काम है मॉक्स में, बुक्स में, प्रैक्टिस में और ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट देना. बट माय पॉइंट इज, लेट्स से यू गेट समथिंग सो डिफिकल्ट, मतलब यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर योरसेल्फ फॉर एनी काइंड ऑफ एलियन टॉपिक, एनी काइंड ऑफ डीमनिश लुकिंग पैसेज. तो कैसे हैंडल करना है ये भी तो होना चाहिए ना क्लियर, इसलिए ये सिखा रही हूं मैं आपको. Bertrand and additional practitioners maintain. अब भाई मुझे ये पता है कि मेरा एक क्वेश्चन लास्ट वाला जो है बर्ट्रैंड के फिलॉसफी के बारे में क्या इन्फर कर सकते हैं, दैट इज कनेक्टेड टू दिस. दिख रहा है मुझे बर्ट्रैंड क्या मेंटेन करता है, मींस उसकी फिलॉसफी क्या है. बर्ट्रैंड और थॉमसन में डिफरेंस क्या है, बर्ट्रैंड का फिलॉसफी यह है, थॉमसन का इसके पहले पैराग्राफ में. सो आई नो आई हैव टू रीड अ लिटिल बिट फ्रॉम बोथ इन ऑर्डर टू सॉल्व दैट क्वेश्चन, सेकंड या थर्ड क्वेश्चन है. ठीक है, इसकी पूरी फिलॉसफी आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू रीड राइट नाउ, आई एम गोइंग टू स्किम. Everyone possesses a life philosophy, conscious, gain, okay, fine. Obstructs, okay. Where Bertrand diverges from others and irritates them. How does he differ from others? Okay. How he presents the philosophical self-enhancement journey. Got it. Aristotle, not this, okay, describes all right, okay. नहीं पढ़ रही हूं मैं. मुझे समझ में आ गया Bertrand diverges from others in this way. Come back for this, for the question. Now I'm simply going to dwell a little bit on the last para, not read it completely again, but just a little bit. See if he's bringing it up, like if he's, summing it up. He's bringing in a conclusion or not. Referencing privacy considerations, Bertrand refused to provide contact details for any clients. Oh, so Bertrand was probably a psychologist or psychoanalyst or something, and he had privacy considerations. Because he says everyone possesses a life philosophy, conscious of it or not. Recognizing that philosophy assists, okay. So he refused to provide contact details. But in Aristotle, not Ativan, कोई बुक होगी, कोई मूवी होगी, कुछ तो होगा उसका लिखा हुआ. He incorporates a case examination of Michael, a late night radio discussion program host. You get the point here? मतलब यहाँ but दिया हुआ है, so he maintains privacy for every client, but in this he brings in a case examination of a particular person, Michael, a late night radio discussion this. Perceives his problem as his incapacity to experience happiness without a woman to cherish and the impossibility of this. Skim karo, क्या करना है हमें वो जान के. Michael's emotion is isolation, analysis, okay, produces only two. Abandoning his employment or this, that's where Bertrand intervenes. So Bertrand says, यहाँ only two. Bertrand intervenes and says only two की जरूरत नहीं, वही हमें समझ में आ रहा है. Abandoning his employment or experiencing this perpetually, continually. राइट उसने बोला या तो मैं अपना एम्प्लॉयमेंट छोड़ दूं, या एम्प्लॉयमेंट रखे रहूं तो आइसोलेशन मुझे एक्सपीरियंस करना पड़ेगा. सो बर्ट्रैंड इंटरवीन्स. बर्ट्रैंड इंटरवीन्स मीन्स वी infer he did not agree with either this or that. He intervened and probably he said कि no, we can come to some middle ground. That's it. So I won't say that this passage was easy. I know it was ugly as hell, but then the thing is, I really don't need to read the whole passage because I have read my questions. समझ रहे हो आप मेरी बात. लास्ट वाला क्वेश्चन है, अभी जैसे एक बार मैं और आपको चल के दिखा देती हूँ. मेन ऑब्जेक्शन have against philosophical counseling. People in established this objection. कहीं होगा फर्स्ट सेकंड पैरा समथिंग. आई विल गो एंड सी अगेन. ये मुझे एग्जैक्टली याद नहीं कहां पर है. थॉमसन का तो हमें पता है सेकंड पैरा में पूरा उसका दिया हुआ है, राइट. थॉमसन अग्री विथ उसकी फिलॉसफी. रीजन व्हाई प्रैक्टिशनर्स डिफर. थर्ड पैराग्राफ हाउ बर्ट्रैंड डाइवर्जेस, या उसके पहले सेकंड पैराग्राफ, सेकंड थर्ड पैराग्राफ में ही सब है कंबाइंड on the basis inferred closest to that of Bertrand's. You get the point? So, I think the questions are pretty good. Okay? And since I know my questions are like this, I really do not need to go through the entire passage word for word. I hope you understood my point. Right? अब आप अगर ये बोलोगे मुझे कि हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कौन सा पॉइंट इंपॉर्टेंट है कौन सा नहीं है, ये तो प्रैक्टिस से आता है ना. एज आई सेड देयर इज नो ब्लूप्रिंट फॉर रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन. जो मैं आपको दे दूं आप यही कर लो और यही आएगा, ऐसा नहीं होता. इट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन योर रीडिंग, ऑन हाउ यू बिल्ड अप योर reading skill, your identification of main idea, the way you build up your vocabulary, the way you have command over the passage. The passage should not be heavy on you, you should be heavy on the passage. ये प्रैक्टिस से आता है मेरे दोस्त. So, ये आपको जो देती हूं मैं RC 100 का सीरीज, दिस इज फॉर दैट. इसको जितना आप करोगे मेरे साथ उतना आपको हैंड होल्डिंग वाली फीलिंग आएगी एंड यू विल अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू गो अबाउट दीज पैसेजेस. गुड, बैड, अगली, स्वीट, स्मॉल, टॉल, डार्क, हैंडसम, कैसा भी पैसेज हो, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू डू इट. गॉट इट? सो ये तो भाई आपके सामने मैंने पढ़ा है, इतना ही पढ़ा है, ठीक है. और ये मत सोचना कि मैं पहले से 2-3 बार पैसेज पढ़ के बैठी थी, बिकॉज मुझे वो डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करना होता है आपको हाउ टू एग्जैक्टली हैंडल इट, like live. Okay, so I have read this much. Now we'll go over to the questions, and if I don't agree with any answer, I'll tell you clearly, भाई ये यहाँ पे ना थोड़ा सा मुझे लगता है लोचा है, ये ऐसा होता तो और अच्छा होता, मैं बता देती हूँ हमेशा, ठीक है. सो चलिए let's go over to the questions. Now I would not want to start with one because I'm still not sure what this connects with. You get it? So I'm going to go straight to this, closest to that of Bertrand's. क्या थी इसकी फिलॉसफी? लास्ट पैरा में बोला है इसने. Bertrand's का I would just check once and then go back and start eliminating. Everyone possesses a life philosophy, conscious of it or not. हमें पता है या नहीं पता नहीं मालूम, but हमारी life philosophy we can gain from recognizing that philosophy. मैं अगर पहचान जाऊं वक्त रहते हुए तो बहुत अच्छा है, मेरी जिंदगी में फायदा होगा उससे. Ensuring it assists rather than obstructs us. वो हमारे काम ही आती है, हमारा कोई हिंड्रेंस नहीं बनती है वो. Characterizing success in ways we might genuinely accomplish it and subsequently reinforcing exchange with great intellectuals. So it helps us. We all have a life philosophy, right? Then यहाँ पे तो difference वाला आ गया. So यहाँ पे देखते हैं अगर options में हम eliminate कर सकते हैं कि नहीं. An individual's conviction regarding existence is frequently nihilistic. Now, nihilistic is what? Nihilistic is, it's somewhat connected to what? Annihilation, nihilistic, nihilism, you destroy something. Okay, so an individual's conviction regarding existence is frequently nihilistic. He doesn't kind of believe in continuing with something for a long time, so he believes in destruction, he believes in destroying something and then coming up with something else. Kuch is tarah ka. Was it given there? No, not exactly. Convictions regarding existence vary according to cultural distinctions. This is not given in the paragraph, right? Eliminated cultural. Every individual possesses a certain conviction regarding existence, philosophy, life philosophy. I'll keep this. Every individual, every or every. General cases में every जो होता है ना word, that is an extreme word. हम देख के कहते हैं नहीं, how can you generalize? Every person does this, but here it's given there. All individuals, all, every. So I'm going to save these two, every. regards existence to be an excellent instructor. Now between these two, what do you have to do? No, you don't have to think or you don't have to go back and read. No. You just take one which you think is good. I think this is good because that connects with my paragraph. I'll take this, I'll go back and I'll try to prove it. Rephrased version कुछ तो होगा. ठीक है? Every individual possesses a certain conviction regarding existence. Conviction regarding existence. Life philosophy. Conscious of it or not. इंस्ट्रक्टर की किधर है कि जिंदगी हमें सिखाती है, हमें जिंदगी से सीखना है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं दिया है उसमें. Right? So, here, 3 is good as your answer. I hope this is clear and you agree with me. Okay, next. Which of the following options can be inferred as a reason? नहीं, इसके पहले मैं थॉमसन वाला करूंगी क्योंकि तो मुझे पता है थॉमसन की आइडियोलॉजी कहां पे थी. Would Thomson most likely agree with? Right? So, I'll go back to this. हाँ, Thomson चाचा यहाँ है. Let's check here. Similar to psychoanalysis early period and the notable disagreement between this and this. Philosophical counselors differ on everything from optimal terminology. Terminology क्या किया वो दिया है dash के बाद. Philosophical practice this. Okay. From optimal terminology to whether they should attempt curing individuals, empowering them or directing them toward this. Right? Until now, Thomson and Bertrand have developed easily understood methods. Something that is easy for people to understand. How? Thomson's logic focused therapy, okay, so easy for people to understand. I'll write here, easy to understand, logic based, right? ये है logic focused therapy develops from his instructor Raymond This, who created REPT. Referencing ancient Greek philosopher this and the recognition that events in our existence, okay, Corsini perceives much unhappiness, okay, उसका instructor था ना Corsini, so Corsini perceives much unhappiness as originating from this irrational, इसलिए वो logic पे गया, like requiring perfection, okay. Thomson instructs, ये एक और point ले लेंगे हम Thomson का, instructs critical reasoning abilities that assist us in recognizing those irrational presumptions and rectifying them. Simple. If I have to add to these points here, so critical reasoning based, and he says rectify them. Bas, this much should be enough. ठीक है? Easy to understand for people, logic based, critical reasoning based, and please rectify whatever presumptions you had. I'll go back to this question now. Thomson most likely agree with. Irrational presumptions require addressing and rectifying given there. Correct पूछ रहा है, true पूछ रहा है, okay. Fortune's influence is acknowledged solely by the unfortunate. ये थॉमसन का वो नहीं था भाई, प्लीज एलिमिनेट कर दो. The unfortunate possess no alternative remedy except hope. Extreme, and hope is not what he was talking about. Thomson का logic based था, rational था, ठीक है. So this is again eliminated. Easy elimination. Money cannot purchase happiness but provides a more agreeable form of unhappiness. Money was not what he talked about. So this is out and this is good as your answer because it's clearly given there. मतलब given there in another form in like different words. आपका logic, critical reasoning ये बोला है. So you need to rectify those. This is good. Wow. 2 questions, very doable from this ugly looking passage. What more do I need? Done. After this, I'm like more hopeful. So, okay, would I move out of the passage right after this? एक और देख करके मैं चली जाऊंगी फिर, ठीक है. I wouldn't do all 4 from here. जैसे question number 1 है, objection क्या है, जो भी है ये last के लिए रखते हैं. I'm going to check this, how they differ. Okay? ये अगर हो जाता है तो हो जाता है, वरना इसको छोड़ के फिर मैं दूसरे पैसेज में एग्जाम में अगर हुआ तो चली जाऊंगी. Okay, can be inferred as the reason why practitioners of this differ from Bertrand. So Bertrand क्या कहता था, जो भी कहता था, and how they differed. All right, I really need to go back once and check practitioners of philosophical counseling, है ना. यहाँ पे आपका कहीं पे था, I'll take you here. Philosophical practice, okay, disagreement between this, एक तो ये भी है इनका, but Bertrand, okay, ये है, Thomson, all right. इधर भी हो सकता है यहाँ पे जो differ वाला point है ना, यहाँ पे, यहाँ. Where Bertrand diverges from others and irritates them is how he presents the philosophical self-enhancement journey. Okay, in Aristotle, not this, for instance, describes a 5-stage peace method that appears designed for daytime television. मतलब इतना easy. ओहो, डे टाइम टेलीविजन के लिए इतना एंटरटेनिंग. Okay, recognize the problem, assess this, contemplate, okay, voila, achieve equilibrium. Oh, easier said than done, right? So ये उसका ये है. और whether conscious we can gain from this, ये Bertrand का कहना था. And then he says additional practitioners maintain that everyone possesses this. वो लोग भी मानते हैं उस चीज को, but then where he, यहाँ इस पैरा में the first part shows us how they were similar. Bertrand and the additional practitioners, they all maintained that everyone possesses a life philosophy. But Bertrand differ कैसे करता है? He comes up with something so formula based, something 5-stage peace method, fit enough to be shown on TV, ऐसा टाइप. इतना समझ में आया? अभी के लिए चल लेते हैं क्वेश्चन पे, जरूरत पड़ी तो फिर आएंगे. So his solutions are mass manufactured and don't benefit individuals. Do you see the tone here? The author of the passage is positive towards Bertrand. So why would he say they don't benefit individuals? His solutions are presented to gain public attention. ऐसा कोई जिक्र वहां पे नहीं है that he is trying to garner public attention. Eliminated. His solutions to problems are either extreme or opposite. Are they? I did not see this point. He presents an oversimplified solution for philosophical self-enhancement. Given there, right? So 4 is good. Proof करना है, लेके चलो उसको. Instead of chasing the useless other options, अभी हमने सबको eliminate कर लिया. Now I feel this is my option. I'm just going to take these words, go back and prove them. Voila, we'll get the answer. Oversimplified solution for philosophical self-enhancement. Okay, yeah. Oversimplified, daytime television. Okay, self-enhancement, equilibrium, he says this over here, right? So ye peace method designed for daytime television, something, self-enhancement journey, right? Done, proved. What more do we need? So this is also done. 3 questions, amazing. Question number 1, the last one. अभी तो मैं छोड़ के नहीं जा सकती ना दूसरे पैसेज पे, अभी आपको बताना है. All right. But yes, in the test, after doing these 3, I would have left and I would have said, okay, bhai, enough of this passage. चलो कुछ interesting वाला और करेंगे, ऐसा बोल के मैं निकल लेती. Which of the following is the main objection that people in the established this have against philosophical counseling? So objection, पहले तो मुझे एक बार देखना पड़ेगा. तो यहाँ पे counseling and this rival, primary rival, okay, this pursues exactly the contrary approach, connections to this. So executive leaders who possess this and is a certified practitioner, prevalent this. The greatest barrier to philosophical this is its recognition by wellness fields. Because we represent, okay, अब यहाँ पे ये point जो है, this is connected to your question. What are professionals in those fields stating presently? With Bertrand certifying individuals lacking clinical preparation, they are claiming what? Philosophers lack mental wellness and they will endanger clients. This is exactly where your question is connected. It is so easy, right? So, उनको philosophers पे शक है. Philosophical counseling creates danger for clients. It's given there. Endanger clients. This is good. Philosophical counselors require additional mental wellness preparation. इसको रख लेते हैं, ये और ये दोनों, है ना? The methods employed in philosophical counseling differ from those employed in this. Are they worried about that? Do they object to that? No. Eliminated. Philosophical counseling maintains a perspective contrary to that maintained by established institutions like this. Is it given there that this was the main objection? No. Main objection was that these people are endangering clients. So it is given there like clearly last ke 2-3 line mein, so 1 is good as your answer. I hope all the explanations are clear, guys. I hope you have understood the process of elimination, but in this case, the more important thing was to understand how to handle this ugly looking passage with ease and then solve your questions. Give more time to the questions rather than wasting your time on reading that passage. I'm going to see you again. Take care, everybody. Thanks a lot for sitting through this session with me. Bye-bye.